Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Redmi Note 11. Please note, if you have the Pro version, you will need another video. I will link it below in the description. This is only for the Note 11. Okay, first of all, we will need the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box. So there's another white box in it. Just remove it, and if you open it, you will find here the SIM ejection tool. Just rub the wings like this to release it. And yeah, otherwise, by the way, you could use also, of course, the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find now on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And below the SIM tray is a small hole in there. And now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip. Just enter this hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. On this SIM tray, you're able to insert two SIM cards at the same time if you want, next to a micro SD card. Okay, let's start now with the first SIM card. You place it always here in the middle. So missing corner here on missing corner. And the contacts are below. And in case if you want to have a second SIM card, you have the opportunity to put your one in front as well. So this is the place for the second one. Also missing corner on missing corner. And as you can imagine, the contacts are below as well. And also, if you want, you can extend the internal storage with a micro SD card. For that, you need the last place here. Be carefully that nothing jumps out. So this is how it should look like then. And of course, you can use also the micro SD card with just one SIM card, no problem. And yeah, the contacts are below as well. Okay, and after, you can put your construction back into the phone, shake a bit, and take care that nothing jumps out, and close it well. Yeah. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or may just subscribe me if you don't want to miss a new video. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe the next time. Ciao.